Alright, good day to you. I've just realized that today, because it's the 1st of November, it's a bank holiday in France, so a lot of things are closed. But luckily I managed to catch a bus. There were some sheep there the other day. Can't see them right now. 2:46, and I've taken the rings out, yeah. Can you hear the bells of the church? Because it's a bank holiday today, but it's a religious thing. I think I can see the sheep, actually. Right. Alright, so by the way, I'm in Béton, which is near Rennes. So basically, I've been to Béton before, but I really wanted to check out that church, specifically because it looks like it's on top of like a big rock or something, so I just want to get closer to see it, and probably if it's open, if there is no celebrations inside, I will try to visit it. So the church is called Église Saint-Martin de Tours. The first church was burned down in 1590 during the Wars of the League. Worship was transferred to the chapel of the priory of the Abbey of Saint-Mylène, a few meters north of the current church. The main window, 15th century, depicted the legend of Saint-Martin. The upper bellows of this stained glass window are currently exhibited at the Brittany Museum in Rennes. All of the four-color stained glass windows sold in 1879, as well as the double sculpted baptismal fonts and the coat of arms of Saint-Gilles, are now on display at the Cluny Museum in Paris. So it's a few centuries old, basically, if the first church was burned during the 16th century. But first, before I visit it, I want to see what it's called in English. It's Le Lavoir in French, but in English it is the wash house. So I really want to check this. I think it's this little building there. So now, yeah, it looks like there's absolutely nada. Yeah, it looks like they haven't kept anything old in this wash house. It's just benches and basically a shelter from the rain, and that's it. Alright, so if I take this path, I'm actually getting away from the city and from the church. So I'm going to get back towards the church, and I will see later if I have time and if I want to go for a little walk. Alright, so that's this high foundation that makes it interesting for me. I think the description said it was a schist hill. So yeah, that's for me, that's the thing that interested me about it. Because yeah, it looks pretty cool up on its little hill. Got flowers. Right, so obviously I don't want to disturb the mass, so I will see if I can visit inside later. Right now it's 3:30. Yeah, we'll see that later. I'm just going to walk around it. I don't see any more like board with information about the architecture of the church. because honestly that's what I'm more interested in. Can go around there too. Is that a frog? It's a burnt frog, my god. And that's the center. I think the city hall is somewhere there, and that was, where is it? Yeah, that's basically the river there, or the canal more. No wait, that's actually just a little pond. The river, the canal is after. I don't know if you can hear this, but I can hear the singing inside. On February 17, 1870, the solemn laying of the first stone of the current church took place, the construction of which posed some difficulties, as the schist hill threatened to slide under the building. It was then necessary to plant the current walls, which, due to their cost, swallowed up considerable funds. What the fuck was that? Was that a cat? Swallowed up considerable funds and prevented the completion of the bell tower. The construction was completed in 1874. The pulpit of the current church dates from 1875. It was not until 1927 that 3 bells were purchased and their chamber built. I really don't know what that animal was. It was like, it sounded heavy, but it was just small and like brown-gray. So I don't know if it was a cat or not. I don't hear any singing from inside now, so I want to see if it's possible for me to visit. Because I'm not a religious person, but my reasoning is basically, I'm here, I've seen the outside, I might as well just see the inside. Alright, so apparently now it's good to go, there is nobody. Alright, so not the most impressive church inside, but it was still nice to visit. I mean, as I said, as long as I'm there, I might as well just visit inside. It is 4 p.m. There are not a lot of buses, so I don't know if I want to really stay longer than this or just go back home. Look, that's a creature, that's a cat. That's a cat, that's a cat. What is that? It looks like some sort of like grotto, some weird wall made out of stones with just a statue. Ah, look, the cat is there. That is not a wild cat. He has a collar. Hey, kitty. Hey, kitty. Oh, look at him. Not wild. You are not wild. You are so cute. He's so soft. Okay, what are you doing? Okay. So cute, so cute, so cute. Okay, now we have full-on crazy cat. Okay, okay, okay. Maybe it's a female in heat, because that seems a little bit aggressive for like pets. Wow. What do you want? My god. Good. Wow. You are going to fall. You are so cute. You are so cute. What are you doing? You are insane. Little kitty. Little kitty. I'm going to need to go. She is insane. She just wants to be pet. Right back there. So that's the wash house. You can see the church there. And let's see. Yeah, that's the one I need. That should be in 3 minutes. Alright, so that was a pretty great day today again. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I will see you tomorrow in the next video. Bye!